Ever thought that the secret to feeling fabulous was a bunch of tiny critters inside you? Yep, you're a walking, talking party of 70 trillion cells, and 38 trillion of them are just waiting to boogie in your microbiome. Your microbiome affects basically everything: your mood, digestion, energy, and so much more. But here's the buzzkill. Junk food, Netflix binges, and that 24/7 hustle, they're like party crashers for your gut rave. So what can you do? Enter the life of the party, doTERRA PB Restore ProBiome Complex. A revolution in probiotics and full microbiome health. With our innovative dual-chamber capsule, we ensure that 18 billion active cells reach your gut alive and ready to work. This isn't your grandma's probiotic. It's a dance crew of pre, pro, and postbiotics, all grooving in perfect harmony. And those bacteriophages, they're the bouncers, showing unwanted bacteria the exit. This comprehensive approach puts doTERRA PB Restore ahead of its competitors, making it the market leader in strain and species diversity. We've formulated doTERRA PB Restore with 4 key mechanisms: superior diversity of probiotic strains, prebiotics to fuel them, a postbiotic to create fast action benefits, and a blend of 4 phages for targeted action against unwanted bacteria. While other probiotics are struggling to find their rhythm, doTERRA PB Restore is bringing the crowd to their feet. A diverse microbiome is a healthy microbiome. PB Restore gives your gut the tools it needs for full body health, better digestion, metabolism, respiratory health, and more. When you give your microbiome what it needs, it can get your gut and you into the groove. Try doTERRA PB Restore today and feel the difference in as little as 30 days. And if you're not satisfied, we'll give you your money back. doTERRA. Pursue what's pure.